who have not been diagnosed. So it's better to be protected and be sorry later.
I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom.
Nanubabo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we are going to meet someone, a very important and special person, a Kapampangan we are very proud of, and he's going to introduce his company and his business to us. Company who was able to produce a world-class item na very essential ngayong pandemic. So let's go and meet him. Tara na!
Hi everyone, I'm Lewan, General Manager of Yulu Medical Supplies Trading. So we're the makers of the first true medical grade PPEs here in the Philippines. So we started this company just right about when COVID-19 started. So we realized that the supply for PPEs, especially coveralls, was really short. We also realized then that we were too reliant on imports. So what we did is we tried to find medical grade fabric. Then with the help of our skilled workers, Filipino skilled workers, we were able to produce medical grade PPEs. In a few days from now, we're going to be starting to ship out orders to Japan. Our coverall is in line with international standards. So all of our lab tests are complete and validated by a third-party testing facility. The main difference that we have with other commercial local PPEs is first is the fabric. So the fabric that we use is polyester tri-cut with PE laminate. So the fabric itself has a filter. It filters 100% of particles. Same filter that can be used for N95 masks as well. In terms of design, we follow the principle of minimal cut, maximum protection. We do not put any unnecessary holes or stitches that may be an avenue for the contagion to cause infection or contamination. For our coverall, we also use seam seals. These are heat pressed at 310 degrees. So who is it for? Basically, we have three PPEs. First is the coverall with seam seal, the one with the blue tape. This is intended for COVID wards for our healthcare providers, especially those in the ICU, COVID wards, those in direct contact with COVID patients. Other people that might use them are the ones from the morgues, from patient transport as well, our medtechs who handle the specimen for the pathogen. Then we have the doctor's gown. For such a long time, the doctor's gown has been the doctor's gown. So there has not been any changes in design for the last, let's say, 10 to 20 years. So what we did is we reimagined it. The pockets, if you're going to see it, they're on the sides so that there's going to be no holes in front, which is a high-risk area. This is basically for doctors and healthcare professionals or within the hospital setting. But if there are cases that you might need it, of course you could wear it. Then lastly, this is our most versatile piece. This is our Barong PPE. So this is our interpretation of the Borough in the time of COVID. We realized that our frontliners are not limited in the hospital. So we have frontliners in the supermarkets, in the banks, or any public places. Of course, we could not expect them donning full coveralls, and we came up with the Barong. So it's unisex. It can be worn by both male and female. It can be worn by our bankers, our supermarket staff, our drivers, those who do not have direct contact with positive COVID patients. But at least you'd be safe that you're going to be protected for the whole time. Another difference that we have with commercial PPEs is that we're not only waterproof, we're beyond waterproof. So our material has filters, so it filters 100%. So it's like putting an N95 mask on your body. Definitely there's a lot of asymptomatic patients, those who have not been diagnosed. So it's better to be protected than be sorry later.
If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water
So there you have it guys. If you find this video very interesting and important, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, itag nyo na po yung kaibigan nyo na nangangailangan ng mga produkto na pinakilala po namin sa inyo, and we hope you safety and good health. Until our next video, we hope to see you there. Bye bye.
Water slide.